Advertisers might hate me for this, but guys, I'm about to show you something that might steal your job. AI is now creating and running ads for us, and it's doing it better than us. So if you want to know how to do that, this video is for you. So AI is dominating everything, right? And yes, now we can create and run our ads. Whether we hate it or not, that's the case. So there's a new platform that I have discovered lately. It's called AdCreative, and we're gonna review it together step by step and see how we can really generate ad creatives for us and social media posts within seconds. And all that, of course, with AI. So I'm talking about creatives like these ones. And apart from that, it also generates the texts and headlines, which is a vital part for every single ad. The call to action, the description, along with the creative, is super important. It also gives you creative insights, so it really evaluates every single creative in terms of effectiveness, and it does that for every single platform. LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, even Twitter. So let's try it together. By the way, you have a free trial, and it gives you also 500 free Google Ad credits. If you want to get them, use my link in my description. So I will hit Generate Ad Creatives. I will register here, enter your email, set a password, sign up and get free 10 credits. So you need to enter your credit card details in order to get the free trial. And of course, you can cancel anytime. You can either choose the tutorial or you can skip this step. I will upload my logo. Let me use this one. The main color, save, brand description, digital marketing, done, simple. Choose the brand type, let's say technology. So the first step is done. We'll skip this part. And now you can select the social media sizes. So a square one, a landscape for Facebook, story size to run some ads on Instagram, a leaderboard for Google, right? Or Bing ads. I will select this one, which is the size that I normally use on Instagram because it takes a bit more space on the feed. I'll describe the product. You can describe your project like that. Select your target audience. I will use the one that is being recommended, small business owners. Save, continue. And now you can write whatever you want. You can use your own text or use AI to generate the text in English or any other language. We will try English and see what it will create for us. So let's see, streamline your digital marketing today. You have also alternatives like digital marketing without the headache, get started with digital marketing, make digital marketing a breeze. I like that. Make digital marketing simple again. I like this one. For this header, I will use make smarter, market smarter with digital marketing. Get results, get reach more customers through digital. I like this one. And the call to action icon can be this one, right? Save and continue. Now again, you can upload your own image or select something from the gallery and search from the stock image database that they have. Let's say that I want digital marketing AI, digital, search AI, digital AI, something more modern. So you see you have free and paid versions. I will use this one. You can adjust the version you want, the part of the photo that you want to use, like this. You can generate also the same creative with different background images like that. So maybe I will use this as well and use another one like this one. Create a post. Simply digital one is the first project. And our creatives are being generated. Let's wait and see. Get a sip of water. And now you see the different AI generated creatives based on the last image that I used. Of course, I can use any other image from the other two that I selected, and you see that the variations are endless. You can view the conversion score right here. So AI recommends based on their data and what do they believe that it will perform better. So maybe I will select this one and download it. And here it is. Not bad at all, right? You can get this creative and use it for your ads or even as a social media post. So all the different projects that you have created are being saved right here. You can create as many as you want. You can also have up to 5 different brands for you or your clients. You can generate also text projects, so not creatives, but just text for your Google Ads. So let's say that, for example, I want to create short headline ads, pain, agitate solution style ads. So the pain, the solution, and a great call to action. I'll choose a tone, a professional one. Simply Digital GR is my project plus now. So after selecting all the criteria, you hit generate texts. And here you are, you have different variations that you can use for your Google Ads or even to create a video, a script for a great video. Last but not least, you can even connect your ad accounts, so your Meta, your LinkedIn, your Pinterest ads or your Google Ads directly to the platform and make the whole process totally seamless. If you have tried the platform, let me know in the comments what was your experience, and if you didn't, use my link in the description to check for yourself. I hope you loved this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel because I know you're watching without subscribing. I mean, come on. Make sure to watch this video if you want to make some extra income online, and until next time, simply hustle.